So I think to the extent low frill accounts are involved, it has happened. I want to leave 2 points, and I think that will indicate some of the heartburns that we have, that would we achieve it possibly in the next 10 years or not. And the point is, low frill account we are telling existing commercial banks to reach, which for 60 years have not been able to go beyond 50% penetration. If that last mile 50% penetration required, and I would say there were 2 approaches available to us, and these are approaches that are tested in developed market. You could have a single bank model, what you call, a village level bank. There's already a lead area bank. You can come down with a lower structure bank, which is going to operate in a cluster of maybe 10 villages or 20 villages in a taluka. That model is not available to us. The model that is available to us is a lead area bank, which has to be operating in 3 contiguous districts. And the capital adequacy that is given to them, is that policy available for free? Are people approaching? And I think we will have to have interventions of that nature. So let's find out, if we are saying micro insurance and banking are 2 approaches that we take. Banking service from existing bank, for 60 years if we've got the lessons they have not reached, let's not keep flogging them because their model is different. Can we get people with alternate models which are just possibly, para-banking model is one, but for various reasons we have not taken that, but they are doing a tremendous job there. Can we get banks who only do borrowing and do plain vanilla lending there? Otherwise, they use other institutions for lending. Such banking structure doesn't exist. Micro insurance, we want it to be done, but we want high-cost insurance companies